World Cancer Day is a day set aside for raising awareness amongst the general public. This year, the Department of Radiotherapy and Oncology, National Hospital Abuja, in conjunction with Federal Ministry of Health, brought together an event to press home the need for early screening of cancer. The cancer experts highlighted the problems facing cancer treatment in Nigeria and how best these problems can be tackled.
When you get to that level, you will need to call them and they will send their engineers to come and do something. So that is where we are presently. Some machines can get faulty and they will tell you, sorry, our engineer is busy in another country, in another continent. Kindly wait till when he will have the time. You have no option than to wait. The only way to beat that, I said it in my lecture, is that whoever has taken it upon himself to buy a radiotherapy machine for any center, as they are negotiating the purchase, they must negotiate the maintenance contract along with it. They must do that. Otherwise, when the machine is broken down, to repair it thereafter, you're on your own.
They also highlighted the preventive measures for breast cancer amongst women.
To prevent breast cancer in women, what we can do is to catch it early. Okay, so the first thing let me go back to say to prevent it, get married early, have children early, breastfeed the children. These are ways that you can prevent yourself, as in protect yourself from having breast cancer, because these are risk factors. And then you can also examine yourself every month. The self-breast examination, you learn how to do it, examine yourself. You can go to a doctor, clinical breast examination, the doctor will examine you, and once the doctor gives you an all clear from there, you can now do it every month, and you will find the earliest changes immediately it occurs if you do it every month. And with that,
these experts also noted that cancer is not a death sentence, as patients who have survived after diagnosis were there to share their story.
I came from Lagos on Friday for bone scan at the National Hospital. We did the bone scan on Saturday, and the result was out on Monday. When my son went to collect the result, what he found there was fantastic. The people there discovered that there was no more cancer in my body, in my bone. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. The cancer had been removed, and the cancer that I had borne for over 11 years, my God has removed it.
They believe that despite the fact that Nigeria is yet to attain the expected state of cancer treatment, it can be achieved if change is applied at all levels to reduce cancer incidence, increase cancer treatment, and reduce medical tourism. Chinomso Amadi, PTV News, Abuja.